In this video, I'm going to show you how to interpret footage in Premiere Pro for color grading. These are the clips I recorded in the Sony S-Log3 format, but don't worry, the process is exactly the same for any other format as well. Now, if I directly drag and drop the clip into the timeline, Premiere Pro automatically corrects the color, but sometimes that correction isn't accurate. So, to avoid that, here is what you need to do. Select the clip you want to interpret or even multiple clips at once if you had like. Then right click on the selection, choose modify and click on interpret footage. From there, go to the color management section and make sure to check the Preserve RGB option. Once you have done that, click OK. Now, when you drag and drop your clips into the timeline, they will remain in their original ungraded version, ready for your own color grading adjustments. If by any chance you have already added the clips to the timeline and they have been graded automatically, don't worry, you can revert that easily. The process is exactly the same. Select the clip, right click, choose modify, then interpret footage, and once again check Preserve RGB. Hit OK and you are back to the original look. After this, you can head over to the Lumetri Color panel, apply your desired LUT and start your color grading process. And that's it guys. That's how you can interpret footage in Adobe Premiere Pro for professional color grading. If you'd like to learn more Premiere Pro settings, check out these other related videos. I have linked them right here.